wash my bike with me. Here she is. Also, let me know in the comments. I'm not completely sure, but like, when you wash your bike, are you supposed to put rags in here? Just where the air filter goes to, whatever? Pretty sure you're supposed to put rags down here, but then I see videos of people washing their bikes and they just don't. Like, you don't need to put a rag in there, apparently. Am I supposed to put a rag in these vent holes? Or can I just wash the bike with soap and water like how I normally would without rags? Just the plug. Let me know in the comments. Alright, let's do this. Be enough soap, and wash it all right off, right back off. Alright, I finished washing the bike and rinsing it. Now all I gotta do is just dry it off with a cloth. I'll just be using these paper towel things that are pretty good. So yeah, let me get that done. Alright, so in this part I'm basically just gonna be showing you what areas that you should put some silicone lubricant on, or just put lubricant on. And yeah, this is what I do every time I wash my bike, so this is just something that you guys can do to keep your bike in good condition. Do right in here on your foot pegs, you want to get right in there on your kickstart. You want to come over here, get this kickstand or this foot peg, and then you want to get the shift lever, get that pivot point, and that'll just basically keep in great condition. And then the main spot you want to spray is you just want to spin your tire this way and spray down your chain while you spin it. Spray it like right here, and that'll basically just keep your chain in good condition. So yeah, let me do that. Alright, she's all ready to get put away. She's dry, and this is kind of where I end off. So peace, thanks for watching. That's basically how I wash my bike.